Imagine a time when colossal steel beasts patrolled the oceans. Their hulls roared with the thunder of cannons, and their presence alone could decide the fate of entire nations. This was the age of the battleship, the undisputed symbol of naval dominance. But that age is long gone. Today, the rules of naval warfare have changed. Stealth, precision, and artificial intelligence now lead the charge. In this video, we explore the stunning transformation of naval warfare, from mighty battleships to AI-driven drones. Let's begin with the age of the giants. In the early 1900s, naval supremacy was measured by the number and size of battleships a nation had. These warships, like the British HMS Dreadnought and the Japanese Yamato, were massive floating fortresses, armed with large-caliber guns that could destroy targets miles away. Battleships became the pride of empires. They were built to intimidate and overpower, designed to survive heavy assaults and deliver devastating blows. And they were vulnerable in ways no one predicted. World War II changed everything. Aircraft carriers emerged as the new kings of the ocean. No longer did ships need to be within cannon range to strike. With carriers, a nation could project air power across hundreds of miles of open sea. The attack on Pearl Harbor was a brutal demonstration of this power. It showed that a fleet of aircraft, launched from miles away, could cripple even the most powerful naval base. The future belonged to ships that could launch planes, not shells. But even aircraft carriers had limits. So nations turned to the deep. Submarines changed the very nature of warfare. These silent predators lurked beneath the surface, unseen and unheard. They could patrol undetected, gather intelligence, and strike with torpedoes or nuclear missiles. The Cold War made submarines essential to global strategy. Nuclear-powered submarines like the U.S. Navy's Ohio class or Russia's Typhoon class became floating doomsday machines, capable of delivering second-strike nuclear retaliation from anywhere on Earth. Now, naval warfare was no longer about firepower alone. It was about stealth, strategy, and information. In the 21st century, the oceans became a domain of digital warfare. Modern destroyers like the USS Arleigh Burke are floating data centers, equipped with radar systems that can track dozens of targets simultaneously, missile systems that can shoot threats out of the sky, and networks that share data with satellites, aircraft, and ground forces in real time. This is the age of smart war. Missiles can now travel at hypersonic speeds. Ships can fire weapons from beyond the horizon, and with satellite surveillance, no vessel can truly hide anymore. But even these marvels are now being challenged by something even more disruptive. In the air, on the surface, and beneath the waves, are revolutionizing naval warfare. They are cheaper, faster to deploy, and don't risk human lives. Surveillance drones can monitor vast areas of ocean without rest. Submersible drones can dive deep and scout enemy positions. Combat drones can attack without a pilot in the cockpit or a crew on board. One of the most striking examples is the U.S. Navy's Sea Hunter, an autonomous ship that can track enemy submarines across oceans with no crew, and the future holds even more surprises. Imagine AI-powered drones communicating with each other, adapting to threats in real time, and coordinating attacks without a single human command. This isn't science fiction, it's already being tested. Nations around the world are racing to develop naval drone fleets. China, the United States, Russia, and even smaller countries are investing billions into autonomous naval systems. Warfare on the seas is entering a new era, one where human decisions are supported or even replaced by artificial intelligence. This shift raises big questions. What happens when machines control the battlefield? Can they be trusted? What happens if two AI systems go to war? Learning, adapting, escalating with every second? Naval warfare is no longer just about metal and muscle. It's now about data, code, and strategy. The evolution is clear. From the thunder of cannon fire on steel decks, to the silent shadow of nuclear submarines, to the hum of circuits guiding unmanned drones, the battlefield at sea has become smarter, faster, and more dangerous than ever before. The old rules are gone. Victory no longer goes to the biggest ship, but to the smartest fleet. As technology races ahead, one thing is certain. The ocean will always be a place of power, mystery, and the clash of titans, whether human or machine. But here's the real question. In this new era of naval warfare, will admirals still command the seas, or will algorithms? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you found this video fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into military evolution and cutting-edge defense tech. The sea has changed, and this is just the beginning.